Mobirise Website Builder Honest Review? Watch before using. Mobirise is a drag-and-drop website builder that promises to simplify the process of creating a website without coding. It's targeted at users who need a quick and easy way to build a site, from small businesses to personal projects, and even portfolios. This platform is best suited for beginners and non-tech savvy users, offering a simple interface with pre-made templates that can be customized quickly. One of Mobirise's key features is its offline builder. Unlike many website builders that require an internet connection to work, Mobirise allows you to work offline, giving you full control over your site's development. Once you've created your site, you can upload it directly to your hosting server, keeping the process straightforward. It comes with a variety of modern, mobile-friendly templates to get started, which is a huge plus for those aiming for a professional design without the need for a designer. The drag-and-drop interface is intuitive, but not without its downsides. While it's great for basic websites, it lacks the flexibility and customizability that more advanced builders like WordPress or Wix offer. If you're looking for a highly interactive site with advanced features, Mobirise might feel limiting. Its design options are fairly standard, and the free version is relatively restricted. To unlock more functionality, you'll need to purchase additional extensions. For example, features like e-commerce integration or additional blocks and templates require paid extensions, which could quickly add up if you need a more robust site. One of the platform's strong suits is its speed. Building a basic site with Mobirise is fast and efficient, which is ideal for users who need to get online quickly. The drag-and-drop tools are responsive, and you can see changes in real time, making the experience seamless. Additionally, the platform generates clean, optimized code, so your site will load faster, which is great for SEO and user experience. However, it's not all perfect. The lack of built-in support for blogging, advanced SEO tools, or full e-commerce functionality could be a deal-breaker for users who require those features. Mobirise is fine for simple, like one-page websites or small businesses looking to build a basic online presence. But if you need anything more complex, you might want to explore other platforms. In conclusion, Mobirise is a solid, user-friendly website builder for those looking to create a simple, functional site quickly. It's best for beginners or those who don't need advanced features. If you need more control and customization, though, there are better options out there.